Hey there. I'm sure somebody somewhere along the line has said to you, hey, make it a great day. How do you do that? How do you make it a great day? Well, you just do. It's easy to get caught up in that this is happening, that's happening, this is going on. How could this possibly be great? But it is great because how you respond to it is your choice. So you can respond in a great way. You can respond in a way with all the possibility in the world. You see, you get to determine what you believe is possible and what you believe is not possible. I've had to do that on many occasions where the odds of succeeding were statistically low, like in the single digits, not like 50%, 80%, but a few percent. If you've heard my story at all, 11% is a number I was challenged with at one point. 11% chance of survival. And how do you face that? Well, you face it by going, hey, there's an 11% chance. And how do I get into that 11%? I'm awaiting some blood results that they told me would take 4 weeks. It's been like 6, and I know they're coming. And the way they classify it is positive is bad and negative is good. If it's positive, it means there's something bad there. If it's negative, good thing, there's nothing bad there. I choose to think the results are going to be good. I don't want to say the results are going to be negative because that just has a bad connotation to me. So I'm twisting it. The results are going to be good. That's all. Everything I'm doing is in that realm of possibility. How I choose the day to be is going to be how it's going to be for me. Oh, things may happen that I don't like. Things may happen that could be devastating in the course of any day for any one of us. The world is full of risks, but it's also full of possibilities. And are we going to focus on the risk? Am I going to focus on, oh gosh, I'm waiting for those blood results? No, I focus on when those blood results are in, I can do this. While I'm waiting for those blood results, I can do this. It's not like a dark cloud hanging over my head. In fact, I'm excited for the possibilities that a good result represents. So it's how you twist things, how you frame it for you. What's going to make today positive for you? How can you anticipate that positive thing happening? And if there's no positive thing happening, how can you positively respond to things that may not be positive? How can you find a way to be proud of your response and be happy with your response? So when somebody says to you, hey, make it a great day, go make it a great day. And if they don't tell it to you, make it a great day anyway. Because you have it in your control to do just that. To look at the positive in every situation. Not ignoring reality, but in accepting reality and finding things within it that you can be pleased with. Even if it's as simple as your response to the bad thing that happens. That's a good thing. If your response to a negative thing is good, that's good. Find your happiness there. Find your joy there. Find a way to make this day great in that difficult moment. When you do that, you find so many more good moments, and the days really do become great, and it's not forced. It may seem forced in the beginning, but long term, it's joyful, not forced. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Oh, and hey, make it a great day.